Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the lecture 9 of revision series for SEBI graded 2020-21. In this lecture, we will be discussing MCQs of fund flow statement. This topic is very important for your upcoming examination. You can revise all the important topics for SEBI grade A with the help of revision series. You can watch the video of this series on our YouTube channel. Fund flow statement is the part of commerce and accountancy syllabus. We have already made the video on cash flow statement and ratio analysis. I request you to watch those videos to revise the concept. These videos are very important. You will get an idea what kind of questions will be asked in the examination. The first question is, fund flow statement provides which of the following information? The answer is both A and B. It talks about sources of fund as well as application of funds. Let us understand the fund flow statement. This statement is prepared to analyze the reason for changes in the financial position of a company between two balance sheets. So basically it talks about why the financial position of a company has been changed from last balance sheet to this balance sheet. It talks about reason for change as well. So that is very important word. It shows inflow and outflow of fund in terms of sources and application of fund. So it will explain the sources of fund as well as where the fund will be utilized, what is the application of fund. So this information will get from funds flow statement. In other words, we can say that this explains the changes in working capital position of a company. So this is very important keyword. Please remember that it basically explains the changes in working capital position. And what are the component of fund flow statement? We have two component. First is sources of fund. Basically the fund is coming from owners or it is coming from the outside. That information will get with the help of fund flow statement. It also talks about the application of fund. Fund is used for fixed asset or current asset. So these information also will get with the help of fund flow statement. These are very important concept, guys. Please remember that it can be asked in your SEBI grade examination. The next question is, which of the following is not a financial statement? The answer is fund flow statement. Balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statements are financial statement, but fund flow statements is not a financial statement. Let us understand the difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is one of the four financial statements that every investor looks to understand the financial position of a company. But on the other hand, fund flow statement is not a financial statement. So that is first difference. Another difference is cash flow statement is prepared at the end of particular year and it shows net cash flow of the company. But in fund flow statement, we see sources and use of fund during that particular year and how changes in fund affects the working capital of a company. So that is another difference. The fund flow statement talks about sources and the use of fund for a particular year, but cash flow statement only shows the net cash flow of a company for a particular year. The cash flow statement is created by following the cash basis accounting, but fund flow statement is prepared by following actuarial basis of accounting. So that is major difference. In a comment section you can write what is actuarial basis of accounting. The next difference is cash flow statement is used for cash budgeting, but the fund flow statement is used for capital budgeting. So that is also a major difference. Please remember this point. In examination, it can be asked which of the following statement talks about capital budgeting. So that is fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is prepared to see the short-term effect of cash flow, but fund flow statement is prepared for long-term purpose. So this question can be also framed, which of the following statement talks about long-term purpose, not the short-term purpose, and in that case answer will be fund flow statement. This is the major difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Hope you have understood it. Educare 247 has multiple courses for SEBI Grade A examination. We have comprehensive course for SEBI Grade A 2020. We have MCQ course for SEBI Grade A 2020. It is for paper 2. We have crash course for SEBI grade A. It is for phase 1 and phase 2. Here paper 2 descriptive English and GA of paper 1 is covered. Here only paper 2 is covered. In comprehensive course we have covered the complete syllabus of paper 1, paper 2, descriptive English, everything. So according to your preparation stage, you can join the courses. You can use the coupon code SEBI to get the discount on comprehensive course and crash course. There is no discount on MCQ course because it is already discounted. The next question is, which of the following provides an information about changes in financial position of an enterprise? The answer is fund flow statements. Let us understand more about fund flow statement. It is useful for long-term analysis. It is very useful tool in a hand of management to judge financial and operating performance of a company. So basically management use fund flow statement to judge financial and operating performance of a company. Balance sheet and profit and loss statement fails to provide information like changes in financial position of an enterprise, and fund flow statement talks about changes in the financial position. Fund flow statement is used by management to test whether the working capital has been used effectively or not. So working capital is a very important term, guys, please remember that. And fund flow statement provides information about the effectiveness of working capital. Either company is using its fund properly or not, and they have adequate working capital or not. If they have adequate working capital, it will help management to take the policy decisions like payment of dividend. If company has adequate working capital, they will provide dividend to the shareholder. If not, they will not provide. So you can see that this statement is very important for policy decisions. Fund flow statement analysis helps investor to decide either the fund has been managed properly or not. It also gives information about credit worthiness of a company. So these are the information one can get with the help of fund flow statement. This is very important document for a company policy decision. The next question is, the amounts needed to compute company's working capital come from which of the following financial statements? The answer is balance sheet. For the calculation of working capital, we need total current assets and total current liabilities, and it will be reported by balance sheet. So that is the balance sheet which helps to calculate the working capital. Working capital is a capital that company need to finance current asset. So that is also very important. You must understand the concept of working capital. Basically it represents the fund available to an enterprise to finance regular operation like day-to-day business activities. It helps in gauging the operating liquidity of a company, how efficiently the company is able to cover its short-term debt and short-term assets. So that is very important. This is the formula for working capital: current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets represent those assets which can be easily transformed into a cash within 1 year. So that is the standard definition of current asset. Please remember that if you can transform the assets within 1 year into the cash, that will be called current assets. Similarly, for current liabilities refers to those obligations which will be paid within particular accounting year. So this is the current asset and current liabilities, and it gives information about working capital, and you will get this information with the help of balance sheet. So this is overall thing. The next question is, which of the following does not result into inflow of funds in case of fund flow statement? The answer is cash received from debtors. Let us understand the working capital in terms of fund flow statement. A statement of changes in working capital is a summary that shows the net increase or decrease in the working capital of a business. Working capital of a firm increases if there is an increase in current asset or decrease in current liabilities. However, the working capital of a firm decreases if there is a decrease in current asset or increase in current liabilities. No change in the working capital in case of realization from the debtors of bills or receivables, payment made to creditors, bills payable, goods are sold on credit and goods are purchased on credit. These things does not have any effect on working capital position in terms of fund flow statement. So this is very important, guys. This we are talking in reference of fund flow statement. Please remember all the important concepts. It will be asked in your examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.